Yeah man, leverage.
You're representing for leverageboss TV. Enough love. Thank you for coming out and support leverageboss. Man.
Yeah man.
Beast. Second fastest man. Not just on planet Earth, but in the universe.
Yeah. We know it go. You know what?
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
The leverage. Yeah, welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know say about Eclips. And today, you know, if you look in the description, you know that we're going to try out the great. We see that on social media. Matter of fact, yesterday I saw that Yohan Blake had a restaurant near which part there in Florida. The name Barrel Butcher Barrel. I think it's Butcher Barrel, right? Yeah. It's Butcher Barrel, sorry. Yeah, Butcher Barrel. And say, alright, we see him. And we see it and we say, yo, alright, we'll check it out and see if we can even meet up with him. So, show you the place, check out our go on and see if we can get anything on the menu. So, you know, leverage go, leverage nation. Just check out and see where I go on, you know. You don't know, say, Hurricane, Milton, on the way to. And him say him now like, so we're gonna see and check it out. So you know leverage nation. Check out guys and see what's going on. Data leverage. We're at the beautiful Butcher Barrel location right now. Don't know it's grand opening and yeah,
okay.
For most of them. So,
but we can play it by here. We can play it by here. But you said TV, what is it?
Leverage boss.
Leverage boss.
Yeah. Well, right here I was just asking about reservation. I know they were saying that you can do reservation and also walk in. You have the bar right there and the dining area right there, and yeah, on the patio outside over there you can do walk-ins. So you know, nice clean environment. You can sit at the bar, check out the patio. Yeah, nice environment so far. So let's check out the video and see. You know the leverage. That is it. Today here, we'll check out the restaurant, you know, Yohan Blake. Meet up with Yohan right now, you know, so we are support the thing. Yeah, leverage. Thing. I'm gonna say, yo, after support the thing, I'm gonna see it rain or sun or shine, so support it, so don't know. Respect. Yeah man, leverage.
You're representing for leverageboss TV. Enough love. Thank you for coming out and support leverageboss. Man.
Yeah man.
Beast. Second fastest man. Not just on planet Earth, but in the universe.
Yeah, we know it go. You know what's the track? My thing, but
yeah.
Go gal it out. Come over here and gal it out.
That's what they're doing.
They say, run and thing man, and have it natural speed, come never have no training and usually run for school and everything. Every time I see Jamaica and them represent the team. Yeah, man, but respect. But try, what the best thing I said on the menu? Because that way I can review, you know.
Yo, I want to try the wagyu beef.
No, here what? We're going to tell you now. You have chicken? You don't have no chicken?
Yeah, man, we have chicken.
Okay, a chicken alone I can't consume. Can't eat the beef.
Alright, so we have some, just natural jerky chicken, but we season it differently and everything. So I want to try that out as well. I think we have, what them say, the lollipop chicken.
Lollipop chicken, what do you put on that?
Well, I don't know. I guess we're trying some new stuff and mixing and turning different things, you know?
Okay. Alright, now definitely go try some food and try some chicks. So you don't know, say, oh, the legend, Yohan Blake, you don't know, the beast, one of the fastest man alive in the world. Now them boy, I'll be a 10, I see them already now. Only make, yo, Olympics we soon run 9, top 10 like nothing on the man, them just a run. Man, them a struggle to make top 10 right now. But don't know the injury and thing like you see right now, but you still can't rub out the pass so you do. I'll rate that. And for me, from leverageboss TV, respect the thing and say, yo, we are one of the Jamaican them see thing and love the thing and respect. So we're not take up much of your time. I'm going to go and enjoy the meal. So respect again. And you don't know. Alright, yeah. Alright. So you don't know. Great.
Community Prouvé. It's a Pinot Noir from Willamette Valley in Oregon. So it's going to be lighter than anything from California. It's still dry, but this is the most fruit-forward red wine we have. You like something drier or a little something more sweeter?
A little more sweeter.
I'm going to have you try our white wine, which is German Riesling. It's a semi-sweet white wine. Yeah. Finish this anyways.
Cheers.
Freelander.
Okay. Right now the food enough. Let me use this time to tell you, I got the plate Yohan Blake told me about, like the jerk chicken and rice and peas. I'm tell you, it great. Me give 10 out of 10 chicken. Tender, it's a jerk chicken. They have mixed with their own little flavor. Yeah, something different. It's not your tradition. It's traditional Jamaican thing, but it have a mixture of fusion, you know. Yeah, the rice, good. Yeah, man, great, excellent, thumbs up. It have a leverage. The thing, man, you don't know. Yohan Blake place. Yeah. Spicy. Drink water. You drink more wine. You know, it was a nice environment. It was a friendly environment. Everybody is friendly. They introduce you to stuff like the waiter. You see him with a show me the different wine. So yeah, great experience. I like it. 10 out of 10. Yeah, right now Leverage Nation is kind of dark, but yeah, the food. I get a jerk chicken and white rice and peas, and I try some wine. But overall, this was a good vibe, good outdoor experience, and also you can go inside, as I said earlier. So yeah, I get dark up now. You can all see me, you can all hear me, and the music, couldn't really make the natural sound play. So yeah, you know a leverage man is a vibe. You don't know big up Yohan Blake. This is a good business venture for him. Yeah man, restaurant a shot. Good place to take your girl, you know? Yeah man, look on the food. It's a to-go box me I get in a car. Eat one piece and right now I'm full. You see me, check it out. And the wine then. So you see me barely eat nothing, but yeah man, kind of full anyway. But just to remember say that today was a great man thing. You have to support it. You know Leverage Nation. Until next time, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, you know. So out here. Yeah man, we just stop. That's how we do it spontaneously. Remember, I'm just stop by and just support the dog thing, you see me? So, Jamaicans all across, Caribbean people, you don't know anything, Yohan, big up yourself, you know, it's a humble first time meeting him. It was cool, you see me? And you see we do a little chit chat, so yeah. You don't know. Thank you. You know? So, yeah, get the box right now. Bag up this. And you know I think that's a leverage. So I bag it up. So check out and see where I go. The music turned on now at this time. Yeah.